Hey everybody, Master Starnes here, and I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial about how to do the basic blocking. So we start off in the moa sogi in the attention stance. Okay, I'm going to bow. You're going to open your left leg to narahi sogi. Bring your hands up, tight and quick. You're going to say te, and then from there you're going to shoot down kwan. And your hands are one fist apart from each other and one fist away from your body. You start with your left hand, so you extend your right hand to the center of your body. Twist your upper body, and then you're going to use your elbow to drive the power down. And you're going to do your down block, 2 fists away from your leg. And then you're going to use it to the other hand, and you're going to go with the right hand, make the down block. Then from there, you're going to extend to the middle again, bring your left hand back. Bend your arm 90 degrees. Your palm is facing away from you, and then pulling and twisting so your palm is facing towards you. Extend to the middle, opposite hand up. So you come from about your wrist and your ear line are in the same line, and then you twist downward, and the top of your hand and the collarbone are in the same line. That's inside block. Then you move to face, so you're going to twist here. Okay, so your palms are facing each other. One is facing down, the one that's on the bottom is facing up. And your left hand is coming, so your body is twisted. So you use your hips first, 1, to drive the power into the arm. So here we go. Just again, so your left arm, palm is facing down. Right arm, palm is facing up. I'm twisting, I use my hips. Just like that. So fast would be like this. So that would be the face block. That upper hand comes straight to the shoulder. So right hand, left shoulder, come across, up to your shoulder, and your left arm comes across your body. Now, your pinky and your shoulder, your inside line of your shoulder, are aligned. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go the other hand, up, and if I go fast, and then the pinky, so your palm is facing away from you, pinky, inside part of your shoulder. Alright, and so you're snapping, of course, you're blocking your body area. Okay, and that's the outside block. So far we've done down block, inside block, face block, outside block. Then we move on, same like we did for face block and outside block. Right hand, left shoulder. Open your hand up to a knife hand. Bring it up here to your shoulder. And you're going to come out to the side. Alright, so your eyes are going to be looking to where you're hitting. Your fingertips and your shoulder are the same height. Elbow points to the floor. Arm bent 90 degrees. It's a 90-degree bend, but you're pointing your elbow down. So that's one hand, and then you come across, twist your hips, come across your body, knife block. So you're blocking the side. If someone's punching towards your body from the side, you're blocking the side area. Then I'm bringing my left hand up towards the shoulder, extend the right arm, look, come across my face, coming down, same time, folding the opposite hand. So the wrist is blocking my solar plexus, 2 fingers away from the body. Then from there, I'm extending, this one goes down and up towards the shoulder, and this is 2-hand knife block. And so this one comes across the face, twisting down. This one is coming from here, just straight down, where your wrist is blocking your solar plexus. Then from there, just like we did down block, same thing, but your hand is open, and then the opposite hand. And we do the open hand blocks, so that way from there, we can chop and right away grab. So if we want to block and then grab our opponent's technique, 1-2, it's much faster than 1 and then opening. So that's why we do those. So we're going one hand, down block, then up. Now same thing, this one is your wrist and your ear line, and then going straight down. Okay, up towards the other side, and then push your elbow, blocking and pulling. 2-hand down block. Then from there we extend to the middle, punching with the left hand first. Spear, rit, te, kwan, do. Good? So we're going to do that with the lights on. Here we go. So we go through all the way through. So we go down, block, inside, block, face, block, outside, block, one hand, knife block, two hand, knife block, one hand down, knife block, two hand down, knife block, spirit taekwondo. Just like this. 바로, yes sir. 경례. So you could practice from a naran hisagi so you can learn the moves with your arms, and then once you get down the rhythm and the routine, then you move into Juchum Sogi here, and then you can practice the moves from the Juchum Sogi. Spirit Taekwondo! Alright, enjoy, have a good time, practice, do your best.